Obesity is a serious concern globally. Everybody wants to lose fat and keep himself or herself healthy. You might think that it requires a lot of sacrifices, isn't it? You have to give up your favorite foods, or even starve when you are hungry. Is it possible to keep myself trim without having to sacrifice my favorite chocolate? Asked one of our clients. Another client requested if she could still have a diet that will help her be comfortable without skipping her favorite meals. If you are one of those sailing in the same boat, looking for ways to achieve permanent fat loss and maintain your good health, here's an end to your worries. Are you worried about your genes? Do you think that it has shaped your body and feel very frustrated? Have you already tried out different diets and found them futile? These are no obstacles for you to achieve the body of your dreams and enhance your personality. The Custom Keto Meal Plan. Presenting to you Custom Keto Meal Plan, which helps you overcome these challenges. The Custom Keto Meal Plan will be customized and personalized to your body, taste and your situation and help you achieve your goals. This plan offers you a guaranteed service to help you achieve your goal. A team of experts which includes nutritionists, chefs, personal trainers came up with a customized keto meal plan. This keto meal plan is enjoyable, cost-effective and user-friendly. Your meal plan will be custom designed to meet your personal goals and will be tailored to your unique situation, tasted, goals so that you can enjoy following your diet. This marks the end of your suffering on following extremely restricted diets that seem tasking and stressful. The Keto Diet Plan stands out compared to other diet plans as it is based on your ketones. In keto diet, your intake moderate amounts of protein, high fats, and no carbs. You will not have to skip your favorite ribeye steak or bacon. This is astonishing, isn't it? Here is the explanation. Consuming low values of carbs puts you in a state known as ketosis. Your body takes glucose from the stored form of carb to perform its functions. Now when you minimize your carb intake, the glucose value required for the functioning of your body reduces. Your brain requires glucose for fuel and cannot function with the energy from the fat. Get your 8-week Custom Keto Diet Plan now. Here the ketones come to play. Ketones are chemicals produced by the liver when glucose is scarce. The brain uses these ketones to fuel up when the glucose required is absent. Therefore, when your body uses these ketones and fatty acids as fuel for the functioning of the body, your body works in a state called ketosis. Thus, ketosis gives you the advantage to achieve your goals on fat loss. Studies have been carried out to prove the effect of keto meal plan and were published in the British Journal of Nutrition. A group of individuals was assigned a low-carb ketogenic diet and another group was assigned low-fat diet to achieve weight loss. At the end of the period, the keto diet showed higher results of weight loss and belly loss. Here are 6 reasons as to why the custom keto diet helps weight loss. 1. A significant increase in burning fat is always the enemy of fat loss. In keto diet, your insulin reduces, thereby benefiting your health and increase the fat burning process. 2. Easy and simple, the diet helps you enjoy your diet. It is simple as it helps you enjoy your favorite foods like bacon, eggs, steak, etc. 3. Your hunger cravings fade. Hunger is hard to resist. It even wins over your willpower. If your diet keeps you hungry, then it is hard to lose weight. If you battle hunger, it becomes irresistible that you end up eating more than you normally do. Keto diet brings hunger to a full stop. It never keeps you hungry, and so this diet is ideal for fat loss. 4. You still reap benefits with no exercise. In a keto diet, you can lose fat even without working out. Keto diet boosts your energy levels in a week's time. You become more active that you will be motivated to exercise on your own. 5. Healthy and safe, the keto diet is healthier and studies have proved it as well. It reduces the risk of heart diseases by increasing good HDL cholesterol, decreasing blood triglycerides and increasing blood pressure. It increases your mental health and reduces stress. It even prevents diseases like diabetes and cancer. 6. Lose weight like a clockwork, the keto diet helps you lose weight automatically. Since your hunger cravings decrease, you will almost forget that you are on a diet plan. What keeps you waiting? You can control your health and figure using the high-class keto diet plan. The Keto Meal Plan provides with the following guidelines if you start today. 1. You will be given an 8-week meal plan that is coined by experienced nutritionists, personal trainers, chefs who have wide expertise to help you make good progress and achieve your dream figure. 2. A diet will optimized based on your intake of calorie and micro intake. Your meals will be planned as per science-based methods as per your situation and goals. 3. Top leading keto chefs who will give you mouth-watering recipes have done an extensive research to plan fat loss diets. You will look forward to each meal as your diet will be enjoyable and you will adapt to it very well in the long run. 4. You can customize your meals. The experts will provide you with options to customize your diet based on your preferences. For example, you can choose to eat beef when you don't feel like eating bacon. 5. Your meal includes lots of varieties. Your diet will have a broad spectrum of nutrients so that you do not fall short of any nutrients required by your body. You can eat varieties of food that makes it enjoyable. 6. You will receive step-by-step instructions to prepare your recipe. If you have no cooking experience, don't worry about it. All you have to do is follow the instructions and enjoy your rewards. 7. Grocery list. You will get a detailed shopping list that can be downloaded for each week and you can purchase them in one go. The Keto Diet Plan makes you comfortable, enjoyable, and efficient to achieve your health goals and obtain your dream body figure. Buy Custom Keto Plan. Most diet plans go for over $900. You end up paying more, spending a lot of time and gaining fewer results, but this plan is cost efficient and will definitely give you results. The Custom Keto Diet Plan is just $37 with 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Custom Keto Diet Plan is an 8-week custom plan and aims to satisfy all its customers up to 100%. If you think this diet plan does not work, they guarantee a refund of your money too. Click the link in the description below to get the Custom Keto Plan. We hope you benefited from this video and thank you for watching.